made me check right here. And I was like, oh my God, it stinks so bad. Like,
if I wrote you a symphony, just to say I'm
what's up, my tea babies? It's your girl Tamara, and I'm back once again with another video, okay? So as y'all can tell by the title, I'm gonna be talking about hygiene tips and vitamin tips and stuff like that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Y'all turn on the post notification bell so y'all won't miss any videos that your girl posts. And y'all don't forget to comment down below. I know y'all be like, we see you with that robe on all the time, da, da, da. Okay, because it's my robe, and yeah, so don't come for me. And it's really early in the morning. I'm so proud of myself. Well, actually, I had to be up for work, but they let us take the day off because today is Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day to you all. When I made that, I had to be at work because they had to check on something, and then they let us off for the rest of the day. But anyway, y'all, so we're gonna get right into this video. So let's talk about it. So how to smell good all day for my ladies, okay? So first we're gonna start by make sure, like step now. Okay, I'm gonna have to start. Step number one, make sure you are taking a bath each and every day, okay? Now, I would say take a bath each and every day, but say if you took a bath, say you took a bath last night, right? And you stayed in the house all day. You stayed in the house all day, you ain't going nowhere, you ain't did nothing. It's okay if you ain't sweating or nothing, but it's okay to skip that day. But be sure before you go to bed to take a shower. So this is what I normally do. Y'all can have the tips. So the stuff that I use, I really wish that I had it with me. So this is some spray deodorant by Dove. So alright, so you take a bath. I keep saying take a bath, So let's start. Take a bath during the night. You take a bath during the night, you wake up, you just refresh yourself. You don't have to like, well, some people shower again. I'm not gonna have to shower again, but I personally don't shower again. I just freshen up until the night. So I just freshen up, and then why you can stay fresh is, I use this, everybody's different. Some people say man deodorant works it down, or you know, whatever deodorant I prefer, but I really like this Dove spray deodorant. It smells really good. And yeah, and it's like, you know, you don't be sweating with this, but it smells really good. They have all different kinds. So I use this. And then another tip that y'all can take, because ladies, y'all know whoever, even if you have big breasts, small breasts, whatever, I'm pretty sure everybody sweats, whatever. So y'all know how like in the middle of here, in between breasts and under the breast, oh my God, let me tell y'all. So I didn't know that it can be musty. Like, oh, one day I was young, like I was in high school, and I just kept smelling something. I was like smelling my arms, like I know I put some deodorant on, so what is that smell like? So I just was checking out. Something just made me check right here, and I was like, oh my God, it stinks so bad. Like, oh my God, no. So what I do is I either take this and I spray it right there, and I spray it on, or you can take powder, or you can take your deodorant, your stick deodorant, and put it under there, and there, make it smell fresh all day. But I'm really not sure, because I think it makes it black right here. As y'all can see, it gets black. I don't know, but it's black right there for some reason. I think it's because of the deodorant. But if y'all have any tips that y'all can take from me, y'all let me know about that. So yeah, so I use this spray deodorant, so to keep fresh all day. And then another thing that y'all can do, y'all can get some wipes, some feminine wipes, and you know, put it in your purse or put it in your backpack when you going to school. You need to freshen up real quick, and just take those wipes, and yeah. And then y'all know the little mini deodorants, like that little like Travis side, y'all go to Walgreens to get $5. Anywhere I get them for like $1. y'all can stick in y'all purse in y'all backpack. And yeah, when y'all niggas freshen up, go to the bathroom, use your white tea, your deodorant. So yeah, now let's talk about the badge. No, we're gonna talk about badge too, but we're gonna talk about periods. Okay, so when you're on your period, I'm gonna say monthly. Let's say that monthly, because I ain't saying period. Okay, when you're on your monthly, so this is a tip for tricks. Some people wear tampons, some people wear pads, some people probably wear the cups, but I preferably just me, like, I don't know, I just can't get with tampons because it's stuff being stuck up in you all day. Just feel so uncomfortable. Like I did the first one time and I didn't like it, but I ain't got nobody who do it, so everything on stuff. But I wear pads. So for me, if you wear pads, you need to be consistently changing your pad because if you don't, it holds this smell in there and it stinks so bad. So I know y'all don't want to, but most people be thinking it's them that stink when they on, but really it be their pad, their blood that be stinking. So to keep fresh from that, I just usually, when I'm on, I shower every day. Make sure you change your underwear, make sure you change your pad often, because if you don't, you can bleach your face and stuff down there. So what I do is, change my pad often. And then like to keep fresh down there. Most people don't use this because you really don't need it, but I use it. For when I'm on, some people use this right here. So this is just, I don't know what to talk, but this is some Summer's Eve spray. It's a 5-in-1. It says pH value, but don't really supposed to use it, but I just use it for like when I'm on. So I put my pad in there, and then I put it on, and then I just spray on top of my underwear. On top of my underwear around the pad. So that it won't smell like, even if I do like change it consistently and stuff like that, I still feel like it's gonna be a smell in there and I really don't like it. And also I use that spray to like inside the creases of my inside of my leg, because sometimes you do sweat and it do get stinky. So yeah, even if you take a bath, you're still gonna sweat because it's closed in all day, you get no air. Unless, ladies, you be free balling with a sundress on. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, some people just got thick thighs and they still sweat, so I just put that right there. Or you can put powder. But powder is a iffy kind of thing with me, because if I'm wearing black pants and I put powder there, powder gonna come out. When you do this, so yeah, that's embarrassing thing. So you don't want that to happen. So I rather just use this spray to be on the safe side. And then, and then before I dress this in school, make sure y'all get a little package. Like make y'all a little pack, or whoever your mom, grandma, whoever y'all live with, or even yourself if you have a job. Make your little care package with the mini deodorant, the feminine wipes, some pads, tampons, whatever you put it all inside of there. Toothbrush, toothpaste, it don't matter. Just make your little care package, because I said that's what I'm gonna do for my girls when they get in school, so they can just go to the bathroom, handle your business, come back out. They're supposed to have that anyway. But yeah, so let's talk about how to clean the vagina, okay? So what I normally do is okay, so you don't supposed to wipe inside with soap. So what I do is I take soap. I take my soap that I'm washing with, either be Dove or whatever type of body wash you use. I just take it, and I use not a sponge, but a fupa thing to bath with my body, because it cleans better than the towel, and I just love it. But I take a towel because it's more aggressive. See, it's more aggressive, so I use the towel and I just wipe. So let's just say this is the vagina, whatever. I just take, this is the inside of my legs right here, so I take the towel and I wipe the inside of my legs, and then I do the top part, and then I rinse that off, and then I wash my towel out really, really good with no soap in it, and then I just take the towel and with the soap not in it, or you can get a different towel, but I just take the soap out and I just wipe inside of it with the water, because you don't have to put no soap in there know y'all want that. So yeah, and just do that. That's what I do. That's what you're supposed to do anyway. So I just take that and just, you know, that's how I wash. So wash on top and increases with soap. Inside, no soap at all, okay? So, yeah. Another thing I was gonna talk about shaving. Okay, let's get into it. Some people love waxing. I never have done wax before. I said I'm gonna do it, but I'm really scared because a lot of people say it hurt, a lot of people say it don't hurt, but I know it's gonna hurt. Come on now, this hair getting snatched off now. Come on, it's gonna hurt. So, I don't know if I'm gonna do that yet, but to my people that do still use razors and Nair, I prefer to use Nair because it's more convenient for me than to just sit there and shaving all day, shaving all day. And then, yeah, so I just slap that mirror on, slap. And inside the leg, wherever you want to get the hair off, whether it be arms, legs, whatever. I don't know about inside your bum. I ain't never did that, but if y'all have, just let me know how it worked out for y'all because I'm really scared to do that. But yeah, okay, so I take the Nair. Actually, this is, I do have a shirt on here, but this is the Nair that I use. It says with rich cocoa butter and vitamin E. So right here, I take this kind and I put it under my arms. I put it in there, so my leg, if I want to hair. Some ladies have it in their stomach, because I know I do. Just a little bit. So I put it right there and I let it sit for like 3 to 5 minutes just to make sure it's getting all the hair off. Now, I use towels, like towels that you see, these type of towels. I use those too. One towel to get all the hair off and whatever, and all that stuff. I get the hair off, and then when I'm done with the towel, straight to the trash, cause nah, it's too much, you know. But and then after I go with the towel, I go ahead and wash with the soap or whatever. Make sure all the hair and stuff is off, and then I go in with this right here. It's this, leaning over this way, but this is it. So this is the Tree Hut Cocoa Colada Shea Sugar Scrub. This is it right here. I get this from probably Walmart, but you can get it from Walmart, Walgreens, any type of store, like drugstore like that. And it smells so good. Oh, it smells good. So what I do with that is I take that and I just put it in my hand. I do it on my own, scrub it down there as well. It makes you feel so soft, and also it feels so good. This is another thing that I do with this. I take this witch hazel right here. I also use this for my face, but I take this witch hazel and when I'm after shower, I put it on there. Y'all, when I tell y'all need to try this, I have no razor bumps at all. Like, I love that. I don't know how I felt. I just managed to do it one day and it all worked out for me. So no razor bumps. You don't know how to be itching like crazy. You don't be itching like when you shave. When you shave, you just itch so bad. You got them razor bumps and it's so ugly. And I know y'all don't want that for y'all girl in there. So yeah, use that combination. I'm telling y'all. Nair. Use your Nair, your scrub, and this witch hazel to put on there to prevent it. And I tell y'all, the best thing ever, y'all. So, I don't know if I missed anything or not. Oh yeah, so like for the lotions and stuff, you can use, well, when I don't use, I usually get some from Bath and Body Works because it smells so good. Every girl loves Bath and Body Works. But you can use cocoa butter, baby. Why use baby oil too? Baby oil, baby lotion as well. Whatever lotion that y'all prefer that works good with y'all skin. So yeah, that's what I normally use, y'all, and it really works for me. And I just love my little routine that I have. I am gonna come to y'all with a morning and night routine. I just don't know when yet, but soon. Let me see if I missed anything. I don't think I missed anything. Oh yeah, I did miss something. So. For my ladies, I forgot to mention this. Make sure y'all change y'all underwear every single day. That's what you're supposed to do. Change it every day. And if you like be a little moist, heavy moist in there, y'all have to wear panty liners. Okay, so that's all for this video, y'all. tips that I have for you all. And this is how you smell good, y'all, all day, every day. So I hope y'all can get some tips from this video. And yeah, just comment down below those things I told y'all to, you know, help me out with whatever. But yeah, just in this video, I hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all want to see more videos like this, be sure to comment down below and give this video that thumbs up. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.